I'm heading back from Portland right now, and I just got a call that there's a wreck just about 10 miles ahead of me. So I'm gonna go that way. We'll pull over, and once I get there to figure out what's going on, I'll let you guys know. But as far as I know, it's a wreck. I don't know what the severity is or anything, but I'll let you know in a second. See ya. Alright everybody, so I just saw the car. It's on the other side of the freeway from where I'm at. The bad thing though is this is in a really bad spot. They're right on a kind of like a bridge on the freeway. It's very narrow there for the shoulder, and it just started raining really hard. So I'm not gonna mess with the camera too much on this one, or at least not while I'm loading the car, because I just want to get it onto the truck as fast as possible and get us off the road. So I'll probably just put it up in the corner of the bed of the flatbed. All right, guys, as you saw there, the spot on the freeway was really bad, and they couldn't really see me from over that hill where the cars were coming. So I just wanted to get it loaded up as fast as possible, get it back to the shop. Based on all the damage on the vehicle, it's clearly going to be a totaled. So we'll get it back to the yard, and then she's going to get all of her stuff out, and it's probably just going to go to scrap. She said she was going to turn into another lane, and a semi sped up around her, so she turned back, and when she turned back into the lane where she was going, she turned a little too hard or something, and the car overcorrected, spun out, and that's what caused her to hit both guardrails on the front and back. That's what caused all that damage you see there. I'll let you guys know when I get another one. See you later.